I do like these little vests actually. The polite notice, think bike. What was it, the motocross style? Scooter boys. Yeah, he's on the pavement, that one. Be your man, I keep on running. Get off your phone. You're playing on your phone. I can see you playing on your phone. She's stuck in a dangerous position. And what's she doing? Oh, playing on her phone. Look. Phone, it's such a good thing to play on when you're stuck in a dangerous position on the traffic lights. Where the fuck are you going? Come and get your love. Yes, I have a camera on my head. And I want to look at these. I haven't shown you these, have I? Cute little icing booties. They were for my little daughter's christening the other day. And kind of kept them drying them out. Anyway, I love the smell because look. Fresh bread. Mmm. Yep, lovely. Bye.